let's find the sum of 2/3 and 1/4. Okay, so 2/3 plus 1/4, we cannot proceed to addition of fraction. Why? Because is dissimilar. This is dissimilar fraction. So we cannot proceed to addition. So what we will do? First, look for the LCD. So what is the LCD? Ano meaning sa LCD? Less common. Ano meaning niya, class? Less common denominator. Everybody say
less common denominator.
Okay, let's find the LCD of 3 and 4. So to find the LCD of 3 and 4, we can find it by through listing method. Listing. I-lista ang ilang multiple. Listing method. Okay, what are the multiples of 3?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21.
Okay, then what are the multiples of 4?
4, 8, 12, 16, 20.
Okay, try to look at the multiples of 3 and 4.
12.
What is the common?
12.
So, their LCD is 12. Okay? So, we will put here 12. 12. And then, what's next? To find the missing numerator, let's divide our LCD to the denominator. So, 12 divided by 3
4.
equals 4. And then multiply the numerator. Let's divide the LCD to the denominator and then multiply the denominator. Again. Divide the LCD to the denominator and then multiply the numerator. Okay. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4 times 2 equals